Hello Jayden. So for this video lesson, we're going to go over the entire Beast and the Harlot solo. And to start off, after this part, now we go immediately to these. So 10 on the high E string, 13 on the B, and then now you go to 13 on the high E, 16 on the B, and then 16 on the high E, then 19 on the B, and you do that 2 times with a bend release. So you can put a little vibrato on that last one. So then after that, slide to 13 on the B string and do this little pattern right here. So 13 and then immediately 13 on the high E to 10, 13 on the B, 10 on the high E, and then a bend on the B string with the 13th fret. And now, immediately after that, you do the G B string. So you do 8 and 10, 9, 11, 10, 12, 11, 13. So you just go up with either finger, with both fingers. So that's what we have for that first line. Let's go through that one more time. All right, so that's that first line. Next part, this can be divided into 4s right here. So if you see 13, 12, 11, 10, just all 4 fingers going to the left, start with your pink. And now the next 4, 14, 13, 12, 11, so get those 8 down, do 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 do. And now for this last one, we go 15, 14, 13, 14, 15. So you just take 3 fingers. So that's how this section will sound right there. Let's go into. All right. Just remember these 4, and now these 5. And all that is just 3 fingers going back and then forward. So then right after that, we go up to the high E string. We go 12, 13, 15, slide to 17. So slowly up to that 17 on the high E string, we have so then now after this, there's 2 ways to play this section. I'll show you this one first, and at the end, I'll show you the other way. So we can pull off from the 17 that we slid with our pinky, so make sure slide with your pinky so you can pull off to the 13th, and then slide to the 12th. Let me add a slide actually. So 17 pull off to 13, slide to 12, and now 17 pull off to 12, slide to 13. After that, now we go B string, 17, 13, 17, 13. And now we just go to the high E string, 20 to 17. B string, same thing. And then quickly go 5, 7 on the G string. So that. So what we have so far, let me just play this first part. And then remember 4 fingers. The 5 part right there from 15, 14, 13, 14, 15. So what we have right there, the 12, 13, 15, slide to 17. That's the 2017, 2017 right here, and then the quick. So let me play up here to here. So that's how that will sound. So that's part 1. Now we'll do part 2 right here. So after the 2017, 2017, quick 5/7, and we go to the A string, 5, 7, 8, and now 5, 6, 7 on the D string. So now G string 5, 6, 7. So A string 5, 6 or 5, 7, 8, and then 5, 6, 7 on the D string, 5, 6, 7 on the G string. All right, so that's up to here. And so all we're adding there is just another 5, 7 slide to the 9th fret. So and now what we're adding there is a 7, 9 to 10. So 5, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7, 9, 7, 9, 10. And then at the very end, another 9, 10. So that section from here to here, do that slowly. So that's how that will sound. Next part, right here after that 9, 10 on the G string, we go 10, 11, 13, 11, 10, 11, 13. So forward, back, forward, forward, back, forward. And now, we immediately slide from the 12th to the 13th fret. Alright, so that's up to here. So we're just sliding from the 12th fret to the 13th fret, and then to the 15th fret, back to the 12th fret, and then to the 8th fret. And you could, here, let me move this 13th fret up, because it's the 8th fret on the high E string, but I like bending the B string better. So I go to the 13th fret on the B string to bend. So let me go here to here once more. So after that, actually, I'm just going to do all of this slowly, how it will sound. And now the bends with the pinch harmonic right here. So 13 bend, and then pinch harmonic on the 13th. All right. So it's just the forward, backward, forward, slides, and then the bends. And with this one, you could also bend the 8th on the high E string, but I like doing the bends on the B string. There's part 1, part 2. So now, part 3. This one's really fun to do. So we'll do this first one. We go A string 5, 7, 8 up to D string 5, 7, 8, and then we go on the G string forward, backward 5, 7, 8, 7, 5. So there's that. So see forward, 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 back, back, back. So we just descend the same way we came. So that's that first one right there. Next part, we go forward, 7, 8, 10. But when we get here, we go back to the 7, 7, 8, 10, 8, 7, and then we go back again. So how this will sound, you go forward, back, and then back starting with the 10. And then you just complete the pattern by going back and back. So how this one will sound, go forward, 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 back, and then start back with the 10th fret. Alright, and now this last part is really fun to play. We'll get up to here first. As you can see on the A string, we go 8, 10, 12. Same thing on the D string, 8, 10, 12. Next part, on the G string, we go 9, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12. Alright, that's up to here. Now this last part on the B string for this measure, we go 10, 11, 13, 10, 11, 13. So forward, forward again. So we have the 8, 10, 12, 8, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, 10, 11, 13, 10, 11, 13. It's an easy pattern to remember. That's this first measure. The next measure, so after the B string, go to the high E string, we go 10, 12, 13, 12, 10. So forward and backward. So let's add, we'll do this one first and then come back to adding everything. So now you can see the B string, it's the reverse of what we just did. So instead of going forward, forward, we go back, back. So 10, 12, 13, 12, 10. Now 13, 11, 10. 13, 11, 10. All right, and now to end off that sequence, G string, 12, and then 10. That's what that sounds like right here. One more time, starting with the 10 on the high E string. Alright, so now for this full section right here, here we go. Starting with 8 on the A string. Alright, just remember when you get to the G string and the B string, it's doubles, and then the high E, it's forward, back. Back to the B string, now it's back, back, double, and then just 12-10 on the G string. All right, now for the last part, we have fours, all four fingers, right here, descending. So on the 21st fret, we go pinky, and then ring at the 20th, middle at the 19th, pointer at the 18th. So we just go up 4 strings, and now we start on the B string and do that same pattern, up 4 strings. And now we start on the 18th fret and do that same pattern. So high E 4 strings, B string 4 strings. And then end on the 17th fret. A little bend and some vibrato. So that's how it will sound. It's really quick 4s going down. So now, an alternate way to play. Ooh, hopefully my webcam wasn't blocking there. An alternate way to play the slides right here. Do you remember 17? Pull off to 13, slide to 12. 17, pull off 12, slide to 13. And then 17, 13, 17, 13. 20, 17, 20, 17. Quick 5-7 right here. It's all the way at the bottom right here. So we go 17, then we go 17 again. And then pull off to 18 on the B string to 17. And I just played up to there, so 17 high E, 17 high E, 18 to 17 on the B, and then 17, 18, 17. And now G string 17, up to B string 17, and back down to G string 17. So that will sound like. Oh yeah. And then immediately after that, you go 20, 17, 15, B string 17. And then the quick 5-7. So I'll play that one slowly. So right here, 17, 17. Oop. That's how that one will sound. But I like the slides right here a little bit better. So you can choose which one you want to play there. So that is the solo to Beast and the Harlot. We'll go over that next week, as well as the backcountry solo to make sure you have both Avenged Sevenfold solos down. All right, let's see you next week.